Sound check, Sai. Sound check. And live mga ka-Asenso diri sa Asenso Covered Court. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup Urban Division Games. Game 1 karong hapuna. It's between Barangay Napulan and Barangay Santa Lucia. As Barangay Santa Lucia nailing the first score for their team. Campaner with the ball. This is your commentator Gab. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan mga ka-Asenso. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng nanonood dyan mula Luzon, Visayas hanggang sa Mindanao and all over the world. I miss you so much all. Tuwaran ipilit. And a jump ball is called as the ball stuck to the rim. Dingal now to Morcilla. Cross-court pass para kay Datanagan. One-hander and it's good. Good shot selection there by Datanagan. We're tied at 2. Jumper by number 10. Comes up short. Now to Morcilla. Morcilla lays it up with the lefty for Barangay Napulan. Babawi si number 6 from downtown. No good. Rebounded by Datanagan. Ball intercepted by Tamula. Crossover. Nakalusot. Outside pass. Interception. Number 10 got it. Driving and it's good. At bumawi naman agad ang Barangay Napulan by Dingal. Now to the De La Peña, quick release. Can't get it to go. Left-hander, no good. Tapikan ang bola. Rebounded by Tamula. Ball stolen by Datanagan. Pass, break, pass para kay Viral. Easy 2 para kay Viral. And hello kay Jojet Andrada. Good evening. Yes, good evening, Jojet. Four to 8 ang score. Dingal with the ball. No good for that layup. And Viral is fouled.
First team foul is Santa Lucia.
Uy, shout out Danril Ibina. Kumanghod. Lantaw day kadrel. Shout out ko ni Glade Jane Daronday nga naa daw dire karon galantaw from Jojet Andrada. De La Peña, inside pass para kay Lion. Dingal. Crossover. Sa labas, Morcilla. Nabakante. Tumira ng 3. And no good. De La Peña. Nice pass para kay Tamula. Now to Dingal. Bump. And he's fouled.
Foul number 20. De La Peña, first personal foul. Second team foul. Santa Rosa.
Six to 9. 3-point lead for Barangay Napolan. Dingal misses his first throw. Second throw, and it's good. Bunsua against Dingal. Inside, De La Peña, nabitawan ang bola. Dingal stole the ball. Now to Viral. To Datanagan. Cross-court pass para kay Morcilla for 3. Air ball. Masyadong malakas ang 3 ni Morcilla. Now to Bunsua. To De La Peña. Ayun. Foul. Foul.
Foul number 6. Vera. First personal foul. First team foul. Napola.
Milyama to Bunsua. Agawan ang bola. Bunsua fakes outside to Campaner. Balik sa loob para kay De La Peña. Time winding down for the shot clock. Inside, kinapos sa oras. Shot clock violation. Morcilla, cross-court pass. To Castile, to Dingal, pull-up jumper short. Rebounded now by Alayon, all the way. At sumupalpal pa si Dingal. Bunsua, fakes, drive, sidestep off the glass, no good. De La Peña with a rebound. Oh, no look pass para kay Alayon. Alayon sa gitna para kay Milyama. Can't get it to go. Agawan ang bola. And a foul is called against Alayon.
Foul number 5. Alayon. First personal foul. Third team foul. Santa Rosa.
Dito na ibutang stop lino para bahalag dito na mayabo. Dito na press. Ilalom. Nahan pa yun. Ibutang. And a 3 points for Barangay Napolan. De La Peña babawi. No good. Number 13 now with the rebound. Has the ball. And still missing for Barangay Santa Lucia. De La Peña. Second chance. And it's good for De La Peña. Castile. To Dingal. Dingal to Viral. Against Milyama. To Morcilla. Outside to Castile. Crossover. Hindi makalusot. Shot clock winding down. Morcilla. And no good. Campaner with a rebound. Campaner to Buaqueña. Bakante for 3. No good pa rin. Alayon with a high-flying rebound. Now to De La Peña. Ball stripped from his hands. De La Peña turns, fakes to Buaqueña. Up and under is good. And a timeout called by Barangay Napulan. 10-13 ang score. Napulan up by 3.
State Plaza. Jigger Ariosa.
Castil. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. Campaner. Hesitation. De La Peña. Long 2 for De La Peña. Shout out Caballero Jake. Happy birthday by Carly Dayondon. Dingal umatake and he's fouled. 12-13 ang score. Shout out Deco sa naghatag og tubig ni Saysay. Regards daw si J Sam. Ay. Regards daw J Sam anang kuan kauban ni Saysay diya sa kuan likod. Morcilla muntikan pang na travel. Tabi ka ng bola. Dingal hindi nasalo ni Morcilla. Sayang ang pasa na yon. De La Peña now with the ball. 1-point lead for Barangay Napulan. Buaqueña taking his time for that dribble. Buti na lang nakalapas. Jimeno. Humantok for that layup. De La Peña. And missing another 3-pointer. Humantok now with the rebound. Now to Dingal. And it's good. Alayon nakalusot kay Humantok. Humantok, side step, and it's good. And that's the end of our first quarter, mga ka-Asenso. 40-19, Napulan up by 5. And this first quarter, mga ka-Asenso, is brought to us by City Councilor Sam Tairaco. Campaner, long 3 off the glass, no good. Jimeno na hinon, Humantok. Up and under by Humantok. Bang! 3-pointer by Tamula. Oy, shout out ay Idol Gabs. Shout out ko sa naka-orange dia. Dagan naka-orange dire. Unsa nga orange katong color o katong kuan? Prutas. Castil, what a nice pass! Para kay Italiano. Ang ganda ng pasa na yun. Tamula. Isa pang score ulit. And bouncing off the rim is good. Humantok. Ball stripped from his hands. Stolen. Fast break pass. Buti na lang. Andyan si Castil para makapag-overtake sa fast break pass na yon. Castil all the way! What a play by Castil! Circus exhibition shot by Castil. Humantok. Castil, nice fake. And it's blocked by Espinosa. Bounce pass. Tamula steps back for three. And Tamula missing it. Gets his own rebound. Fakes. Drives. Jumper off the glass. No good. Nindot no kayong may gabi karon. Ingon si Saysay Tuwal. Campaner. Good feed para kay Espinosa. Traveling violation. Kita kayo. Again, on live mga ka-Asenso, dito sa Asenso Covered Court. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup between Barangay Napulan and Barangay Santa Lucia. Second quarter, 21-25. Corner 3. Dingal missing it. Bunsua now with a rebound. Long pass para kay Tamula. Lumos si Tamula. Blocked by Viral. Agawan ang bola. Now to Viral. Viral to Talieno. Side step. Ayun. May kick na itinawag against the defender. Ang ganda ng side step.
Foul number 30, Campaner. Second personal foul. First free foul.
Number 14, corner 3. No good. Espinosa with a rebound. Big shout out niya kay Nes John Dayundon. Campaner all the way. Hangs in the air. At nagkapi pa sa ere si Campaner for that layup. Shout out kay Nes John Dayundon. Dingal all the way. What a nice layup there by Dingal. Campaner heavily guarded. Napulan up by 4. Campaner di makalusot. Ayun, may foul. Bunsua. One-hander, no good. Shout out daw sa camera woman nga si Rai Majesty. Our very sexy, beautiful Rai Majesty.
Santa Rosa. These strikeouts go to you by Cindy Bartolo.
And a timeout called by Barangay Napulan. And this timeout called is brought to us by City Councilor Marjorie Revelocero. Back to our ball game mga ka-asenso from that timeout. 5 minutes and 7 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 23-29. Napulaan up by 6. Shout out po sa iyang crush study wheel. Study wheel kay Salik kay humana kag eskwela. Bounce pass para kay Viral. Attacking. What a shot by Viral. Shout out ko sa announcer, grabe, kagahi, bisag napagaw na abante. Ay, shout out ni mo diha, Ercarly Dayondon. Ana, yun, basta love ni mo imong trabaho, bahalag magkapagaw-pagaw. Okay kayo. Padayon Japon. Shout out din ko kay Morcilia of Barangay Napulaan. Humantok, turns around, short ang tira, tapi ka na Mola, Milyama with the rebound. Now to Milyama, all the way, passing it to number 9, off the glass, and it's good. Shout out there siya sa iyang lalabs nga si Karil Bato from Ronel Bantigue. Dingal, balik kay Humantok. And short pa rin, De La Peña with the rebound. Pass, break pass para kay Campaner. Against Dingal, Campaner is short. Steps back for 3. Short pa rin. Rebounded by Datanagan against De La Peña. And a blocking foul call against De La Peña.
Foul number 22. De La Peña. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Santa Rosa.
Morcilia for 3. And still missing it from downtown. Humantok. Turn around. Outside pass para kay Datanagan for 3. Hiwi. Now to Campaner. Campaner all the way against heavy traffic. No good. Shout out kay Renji Kimson. May gabi sir. Viral. Nice fake. Passing it to Morcilia. What a play there by Viral. Eurostep, fake, and passing it to Morcilia. John Torres. Shout out John Torres. De La Peña, low post, stops, fires and scores in the middle for De La Peña. Now to Taliedo. Datanagan, balik kay Taliedo. Morcilia, isa pang 3. And isa pang miss. And a foul called against Datanagan. Shout out sa mga live viewers diyan, no, via Asenso Sports Channel. Good evening mga ka-Asenso. And especially from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Shout out Martin Jungabong of Barangay Liniensa. Shout out kay J. Sam, the undefeated Murikay. Shout out po kang Saysay o sa iyahang kauban. Singalan. Shout out kay J. Sam o sa iyang uyab. Now to De La Peña. Mid-range and can't get it to go. Number 9 with a high-flying rebound. Passing it to Campaner. To Taliedo. To Viral. Attacking. Viral. Heavy traffic. No good. De La Peña rebounds. 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Milyama stops and fires for Milyama. Seconds to play, 29-33. Napulan pa rin ang lamang. Datanagan, fakes, fires, bang! Datanagan from downtown for Barangay Napulan. Campaner, hesitation, stops, and what a shot by Campaner. From that hesitation dribble. Mahirap yun. Campaner, Babawi sa ilalim and is blocked. Ball goes to Barangay Santa Lucia. Shout out kong Steve C. Revilleza. Pass break pass. Magpali. Traveling violation. Shout out kay Steve C. Revilleza from Eugen Noble. Noble di ay. Shout out po kang Migs Compra from Pracoms Dialwin. Shout out kay Boss Carlo Guinia. Mayong gabi niya, boss. Shout out po kay Hero Ibalane. Ibalain. 4 seconds left. Datanagan. Time winding down. Pinasa pa. At yun na po sa oras. That's the end of our first half, mga ka-Asenso. And this first half is brought to us by City Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Balaleng Fernandez. See you in the second half. Shout out sa mga Devils. JR headed by JRP together with Choi Bon and Jun Bon Tuyan. Weirdo Swan Restore. What's up? What's up, Kapitan? Kahit yan tuburan ay Restore. Ikaw lagi sa karamdamay niya. Yung trabaho pa man. Ibo na yung mga second game. This is second game. Second game is Tawagan Sur versus San Francisco. And then last game, Santiago versus Kawit. Second game kay Tawagan Sur versus San Francisco. And last game is Santiago versus Kawit. Nagdula ako sa Bion. Oy, shout out sa mga live viewers. Half time break. 20 seconds para mag second half. This experience Barangay Tawagan Sur and San Francisco ang sunod ani dayon. Barangay Santiago versus Barangay Kawit ang sunod. Second half mga ka-Asenso, sa ato ang first mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. It's Barangay Napulan and Barangay Santa Lucia 31-36. Napulan up by 5. Shout out daw sa taga-Dao nga si Trosyo. Oy, JR Trosyo. Datanagan. Oh. Now to Campaner. Tudinggal sa gilid. Long 2 and no good. Humantok with a rebound. Follow up. Can't get it to go. Ayawon. Got the ball. Shot out. J-Boy Tabuada. Leonard Tabuada just watching from Pracom Dialwin. Bunsua missing the three-pointer. Pass it to Natanagan. No look pass para kay Morcilla. Easy two for Morcilla. And a big shout out kay Macario Sulatorio, Bureau of Fire Protection. Amot asa ka na-assign karon? Lapuyan ba gyapon? Shout out kay kuana Sulatorio, Macario Sulatorio. Dingal lays it up all the way for Barangay Napulan. De La Peña, pull up jumper no good. Tinapik ang bola ni Morcilla para kay Datanagan. Datanagan, side step, passing ito Dingal. Good teamwork. Shout out kay pare J-Loy. Diha, mag-play sa team Napulan. Wala man J-Loy dire. Wala si J-Loy dire sa Napulan. Ambot asa siya karon. Shout out kay Ate Karen. Shout out po kay Coach Laput of Tiguma City. Shout out kay Ate Karen Casasola. Tangalin all the way from Cavite. Shout out po pare Bobby Jeric Pedraza. Shout out mo pare. Lantaw ta ninyo og Asenso Barangay Cup. Shout out po ko sa kong tita Sandra para kong Dalwin. Back to our ball game. Campaner fakes. Steps back. Good defense here by Datanagan. Milyama. Bang! Hitting the three-pointer as the shot clock expires. Shout out kay Jestril Bruno Lanzadera of Barangay Sibukaw. Awan, nadula na itong baso J-Loy. Campaner. Muntikan pa yun ah. Humantok, double clutch, and Humantok travels without passport. Ooh, what a nice block by Morcilla against Ayawon. Shout out kay pare Babik. Pare Bobby Jeric Pedraza. Tamula driving, pull-up jumper, missing it. Morcilla now with a rebound. Campaner. Tuhumantok. Ayun. Kitang-kita ang ebidensya.
Following number 8. Going slow, second personal foul, first big ball, Santa Rosa.
Morcilla turns around, passing ito Campaner, driving, balik kay Morcilla, and no good, rebounded now by Milyama. Bunsua, oh, what a play, ay! Sayang, kinapos. Kinapos ang layup ni Bunsua. Oy, shout out Bojik Anyayahan all the way from Barangay Tiguma City. Matik na yan, boss Bojik. All the way from Tiguma City, Campaner. 4 shot, no good. Shout out kay Kuan. Ading Baldo. All the way from Kabadbaran. Layuan na itong naabtan. Uy. Humantok. Fakes. Fires. And it's good for Humantok. Shout out po kay Roldan Manda. Matik yan, Roldan Manda. Shout out kay Ading Baldo from Kabadbaran. Kang police, kang patrol woman. Very proud, no? Very proud patrol woman. Marie Chris Ibina Baldo. Humantok, pinasa kay Dingal, and yes sir! Again, shout out kay Bojik Anyayahan from Tiguma, Barangay City. Campaner, crossing over. Milyama, bakante. Can't get it to go. Natanaga na with the rebound. Dingal, shopping. And a timeout called by Barangay Santa Lucia. And this timeout, mga ka-Asenso, is brought to us by City Councilor Dr. Priscilla Dicky Fernandez. Marie Chris Baldo all the way from Kabadbaran. Kang patrol woman, Ading Baldo. Hospital. Shout out from Diplahan, Gars Magsayo. Lantaw mo sa Asenso Sports Channel. Na umulantaw mo nga live sa ato ang dula. Campaner. De La Peña. Inside. Ayawon to Milyama sa labas. Pull up jumper short. Now Morcilla with a rebound. Si Morcilla diri din kadula. Tuara Morcilla. Lays it up, no good. Sir, kadiha. Pag sure diha, kanding. Sir, kadiha ding. Castile. Shout out sa Dormitorio 6. Dormitory 6. Sa kuhan diha. Shout out Sigfred Sinahon. Ayun. Sinadya na lang i-foul. Shout out kay Kuan, Rena Jean Tuastomban. Na akog balay. Narapuning sabaan diri ay. Ay Rena Jean, meron akong nalaman, hindi ko sasabihin. Shout out Darren de la Cruz. Shout out sa Dormitory 6 no sa PNP Kabadbaran. Beral falls away, can't get it to go. Rena Jean Tuastomban, shout out. Sige. Buwan po, di po. Ingon siya, maghatag-hatag na siya burger. Nga, wala ito ni hatag. Bagon, di ka Rena Jean. Piti ka ron. And Beral, binawi naman ang puntos na yon. Ayun, watching from Kabadbaran City, Agusan del Norte, patrol woman Marie Chris Baldo. De La Peña, quick decision ay pasa para kay Campaner, missing the 3-pointer, rebounded now by Humantok. Ay, may gumidire, ayaw tawon. Castile now to Dingal. Balik kay Dingal, turn around, yes sir! What a turnaround shot there by Dingal. Pa-shoutout po. Go, pa-shoutout. Boss, go na pulan from Alfred Tamayo Diego. Shoutout po kay Cyrus Rafael from Ozamis City. De La Peña, binawi agad ang puntos na yon. Shoutout kay Jake Dramacho. Darren de la Cruz. Lods Pingigosyo. Oy, shout out Sigfred Sinahon all the way from Cebu. Ang matuod nga bana, hunon sa ako igagaw. And a timeout called by Barangay Napulan. Shout out kay Sigfred Sinahon all the way from Cebu. Lods Pingi Skin Gosyon. Muna taga live stream nagdula oy. Clint Mangolare, shout out po diha. Mustahin yung si DI. Shout out Kang Morcilia all the way from Barangay Napulan. Morcilia, oh, gihangak nas Morcilia, oy. Oy, shout out kay Auntie Yoli og Uncle sani Uncle Billy all the way from Samal Island. Sani Island Garden City of Samal, Igacos. Yan. Shout out ko sa akong mga parinti diha sa Samal Island. Shout out po ko sa akong mama nga si Annalyn Dingal nga naglantaw sa live. Sige daw yaw-yaw. Yang Dingal Fuentes. Shout out sa Balangasan fans. Russell Gonzaga. Humantok. Easy layup. Shout out Lucas Susay from Darren de la Cruz. Milyama. Ooh, what a nice fake there by number 9. And may foul na itinawag. Shout out ko sa Uncle diha og Auntie Uncle Billy og Auntie Yoli all the way from Island Garden City of Samal, Davao. Unsa na diha basta City of Samal na sila. 10 seconds left in the game clock. Campaner, what a turnaround, at kinapos lang ang shot na yon. Long pass, intercepted by Viral as the game clock winds down. And that's the end of our third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. 44-54. Santa Lucia down by 10 points. Uy, shout out po ko ni Earl Albor. Uy, shout out day kang Kaka Marcaban. Good luck sa inyong dulaw niya. Tawagan Sur versus San Francisco. Ayawon off the glass and it's good. Shout out kang Luigi Dingal from Mama by Yang Dingal Fuentes. Shout out ni Chan Recto Espanyol from Clint Mangolare nga dugay kay nakauli kay gi-interview ni Daniel. Nawaga. Milyama for 3. No good. Viral with a rebound. Campaner. Pass intercepted by Campaner. Uy, Campaner versus Campaner na yun eh. Beral, second chance. No good pa rin. Milyama now with the rebound. Pa-shot up de ko ni Ralph Fuentes Abiera. All the way from Dumalinao City. Ang atong matuod nga artist nga amigo niya. Ralph Fuentes Abiera. Shout out kay Remji Kimson. Of Santo Niño man ninyo ha, sir, no? Kapaner, number 20 fakes. Isa pang fake. Ay, kitang-kita ang pasa na yon para kay Datanagan. Datanagan all the way, no good pa rin. Bunsua now with the rebound. Passing ito Campaner. Campaner. Reverse layup, no good. Ayawon to Milyama. Easy shot. Laag dire master sa kuan. Master Ralph Abiera. Isa pang rebound para kay Milyama. Passing it to number 20. And no foul is called. Ayawon with a second chance. Basket. At may kasama pang foul para kay Ayawon. Ralph Abiera laag dire. Lantaw ba dire gimingaw na kay kunin mo master. Yun yung kapakita na ko ba di ka manghatag bonsai gani. Hatag pug bonsai master samnoy. Castile now with a rebound. As Ayawon missing his free throw. Datanagan for 3 and no good pa rin. Interception here by Datanagan. Tamula. Ow. Barsarsa nag-iisa. Sige, painting, madawat ko. Humantok. Double clutch and is fouled by Milyama. Shout out kay Dato King Pahad.
Substitution. He's fouling number 70, Milyama. First and foul. First team foul. Santa Rosa.
Free throw. Humantok with his second throw. And no good. Oops. Nabitawan ni Campaner. Bunsua now to Barsarsa. Nice fake sa ilalim. Sayang, nabuyan pa yun. Humantok. Babawi. Can't get it to go. Beral with a second chance. Uy, asa dapit sa Cotabato. King Pahad. Dato King Pahad. Barsarsa, no good. Pon. Makasuroy ko Cotabato. King Pahad. Dato King Pahad. Dapit sa Cotabato. Barsarsa. Isa pa. Good fake. Now to a Lion. Dato King Pahad. Asa dapit sa Cotabato. Beral. Falls away. No good. Ayawon now with the rebound. And a shout out di ay no sa Crossover Designs PH. Gusto mo pa-design sa iyong mga jersey, mga uniforms, mga t-shirt, polo shirt, pa-design mo. Bisitahan niyo ang Crossover Designs PH. Na anda mo alagad kaninyo. Pero na bayad. And Dingal nailing that layup against heavy traffic. 56-61, hindi nagkakalayo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Napulaan. Bunsua all the way and is fouled. Oy, shout out Deco kay Hornales. Shout out ko sa akong matuod nga estudyante diya. Sa una diya. Sir na siya karon sa BFP, no? BFP. Nards Hornales. Shout out nimo diya. Barsarsa, what a nice jump shot there. Shout out po kay Edmar Hualo, the magnum of Barangay Tuburan. Shout out kay Hualo. O kay Hornales, shout out po diya. Lagi sayang, wako gabi, nanapi ko gabi. Buak-buak na po ng 3 aning 8 gabi di ay. Now to Milyama. Ooh, nice steal there by Humantok. Campaner, good feed para kay Biral. What a block by Ayawon. Woo! Nice defensive play by Ayawon. Oh, wash out kay Manginsay. Hapit yun siya kaganina, oy. Ilad si Manginsay sa video, oy. Da, lagi. Pite. Shout out kay Walo, no? Sayang, buak-buak po untang 3 ni Walo. Sige, edit na lang daw. Sige, makalugar ko niya. Ano naman mga artistahon, God? Medyo busy, God. Ansa din alayon din dili din Ayawon. Suri kayo kol. Shout out from Dinas Argalion. Mga kabuang, yeah, shout out ni Madia idol. Alayon din ni Ayawon, suri kol ha. Mga gwapo bitaw kay lisod kayo makabasa. Mo sakit sa mga gwapo. (58-61). 3 puntos lang ang lamang ng Barangay Napulaan and we still have 3 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in the 4th quarter. Ball mananatili sa Barangay Napulaan. Campaner bouncing off the rim, no good. Good rebound there by De La Peña. Shout out kung Dudong Igin from Eugene Noble. Shout out kay Farhan Saavedra Dakula. Shout out ko ni Manginsay. Nga, bulabog kayo kaganina. Campaner with the ball. 2 puntos na lang. Good defensive play by Campaner. Now to Humantok. Outside feed, Dingal with a jumper. Yes sir! By Dingal. Balik sa 4 ang kalabangan ng Barangay Napulaan. Milyama to De La Peña. Tamula. Fake steps back for 3. Forced shot, no foul called. Last 2 minutes mga ka-Asenso. Campaner with the ball. To Castil. To Humantok. Fakes, turns around and fires for Humantok. Ganda ng move ni Humantok. Huling-huli si Milyama for that shot. Pahapit juga bulabog ganina Manginsay. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining in our fourth quarter. Napa-timeout ang Barangay. Shout out kang Sai. Og kanang iyahang tapad ana sa likod. And back to our ball game with 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. De La Peña to Barsarsa. And no good. Dingal now with a rebound. Hindi makalusot. Good defense and stolen by Milyama. Over the head pass para kay Barsarsa. And what a shot by Barsarsa. Good defense ang pinapakita ng Barangay Santa Lucia. Dingal. What a block by Alayon. Pangalawang supalpal ni Alayon for tonight. Santa Lucia still trailing by 4 points. 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining. Nice effort there. Pasingit ko sa akong anak, Zimaira Mier Hualo, nga gwapa by Edmar Hualo. Humantok, hangs in the air for that shot. Extending their lead to 6. Now to Milyama. Barsarsa long 3. Way off the mark. Rebounded now by Humantok. Now to Dingal. Game clock winding down with 45 seconds. Campaner to Humantok. To Biral na bakante. Dagdag na lamang isip. Off the glass and it's good. Taliedo steals the ball. And Dingal. And that seals the deal for tonight. Sa atong game 1. Between Barangay Napulan and Barangay Santa Lucia. Napulan leading by 10 points. Congratulations to Barangay Napulan for winning this game 61-71.
Winner, Barangay Napulan.
Maasenso ang gabi mga ka-Asenso. Welcome back sa tong first ever Mayor Sammy Asenso Barangay Cup ug karon nahuman na gyud ang ating ka-4th game which was played by Barangay Santa Lucia versus Barangay Napulan, and the winner Barangay Napulan. ug karon kauban nato ang usa ka banggiitang player sa winning team. Ato ang pangutanon si Sir kung unsa man niyang masulti sa first ever Asenso Barangay Cup ni Mayor Samico o kinsa man ang iyang pasalamatan niini. But before that, Sir, may gabi kanimo, Sir.
May gabi usab kanatong tanan og sa mga viewers, labi na sa Barangay Napulan sa supporters. Mapasalamat kami dako nga gapaliga si Mayor Samico aning dula para makita og ma-expose ang atong kabatan-unan labi na gyud sa natad sa sports.
So wow, grabe kanindot ang message ni Sir no, og thankful kay sila ni Mayor Samico. Og mga ka-Asenso, ayan ang maghawak kay napatay ka 5th game which will be played by Barangay Tawagan Sur versus Barangay San Francisco. Sir, congratulations ninyo og sa tibuok Team Barangay Napulan. Mga ka-Asenso, relax, fasten your seatbelts and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero, padayon pag-Asenso, Pagadian.